Hi, my name is Markus Carlsson. I'm product manager for ASKO Domestic Laundry. We are today here at the IFA in Berlin 2024. I will give you the three arguments why you should buy ASKO laundry appliances. Number one, steel seal. You might have a washing machine at your home. Probably, if it's not an ASKO machine, you have a rubber bellow here. What can happen with the rubber bellow is that small items like a sock or something get stuck there when you're washing. It's pretty annoying because it's also mixed with the dirt, like hair and everything that is collected in this rubber bellow. On all ASKO appliances, we have this hygienic steel seal instead. Another thing that could happen is that this rubber bellow gets punctured if you, for example, forget to empty your pockets and you have maybe a nail or something there. It can puncture the rubber bellow and it will be destroyed. We recently got the Sensitive Choice Award. It's an Australian institute that works for people with asthma and allergies. We are currently the only washing machine in the world who have received this award. Others have tried. And the main reason for this is because we have this hygienic steel seal solution. We also asked a third-party institute to do a bacterial test to have better claims, like why is this so much more hygienic? So what they did is that they took a rubber bellow appliance and compared it to a steel seal appliance. They did a bacteria test on the drum, on the rubber bellow, and also on the glass. And they revealed that we have 95% less bacterial growth compared to a rubber bellow. That is argument number one. And this is also how we can claim tested for 20 years that it's a very durable appliance. It's designed in Sweden, produced in Europe. Always stainless steel in and out the drum. Argument number two is that we have this ASKO laundry care concept, as we call it. It means that within 1 square meter, you can fit a washing machine, a hidden helper with maybe an ironing board. In this case, it could also be a basket or a shelf. We have different types of configurations depending on your needs. Then on top of this, you have the tumble dryer, of course. And then we have some different cabinets. We have drying cabinets, both vented and heat pump. In this case, we have our new refreshment cabinet. So it uses steam to treat your garments. So you don't need to wash them all the time because you will have to sort the clothes and you will have some wear and tear when washing all the time. If you don't have stains, just like odors, you have some wrinkles you want to get rid of, you can use the steam cabinet. You can also buy this cabinet in 2 different heights. So let's say in this case you only have a washer and a tumble dryer, and then the cabinet is slightly lower to have this perfect configuration still. You also have pedestals, so it means that if you want them to be on a more comfortable height, you can put these pedestals underneath. It's like a drawer for storage, but also when you are unloading and loading the appliance, it's much more convenient. So the third argument is that you can also buy this ASKO laundry care configuration in 3 different colors. So white, titanium, and stainless steel. Depends on your furnitures in your home, for example, if you have very bright interior, or if you prefer something more dark and robust, you can go for the stainless steel or titanium version. Thank you very much. Visit asko.com for more information.